Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to clean your toothbrush, whether it's manual or electric, so the toothbrush head, or your night guard, or any other apparel equipment you got in the mouth. How to clean them up. So you're gonna tell me if it's a toothbrush, it's dirty, I've used it for a while, I'm just gonna throw it away and get a new one. Right, that is true, you can do it. Toothbrush heads are starting to be more expensive, especially if you buy the original Sonic or Oral-B heads. And if you're talking about a dentist made mouth equipment, it's gonna cost you quite a bit of money to get a new one, so you might not want to do it. And let's take the case that you have a brand new toothbrush head a few days ago and you get sick. You got the flu, whichever illness, and when you feel better, you want to make sure you don't get your germs back. So you want to clean your brand new toothbrush head or toothbrush. How do you do it? So probably the first idea that came to my mind was to use my mouthwash, right? Most of them contain alcohol. So this is an example. You've got different brands, but that one does contain alcohol and it will clean, most likely, my toothbrush. But not only will it clean it, look at that color. It's very blue. It's got a tainted blue. And that was definitely not recommended by my dentist, in particular if you have any mouth night guard or mouth equipment here. Do not use your mouthwash. So I did some research because I was sick last month. I wanted to make sure all my toothbrushes and so on were clean. And what I did actually worked fine. I started, so glass of whatever glass, with white vinegar. So this is, I think, just a 5% and it worked fine. So you let your toothbrush head, night guard, whatever you have to clean, soak in white vinegar for about 30 minutes. So let's do the night guard here. Here you go. 30 minutes, you let it soak. Let me add a toothbrush head. All this, 30 minutes. Once it's done, you can let it rinse it. But if you want a real deeper clean, you can do a second wash, not white vinegar here, but use baking soda. So water, teaspoon of baking soda, you mix, and just the same, you let it soak for 30 minutes. And I was amazed by the result. The night guard was brand new, like as if it was professionally cleaned by the dentist. So very good results and very easy to do, whether it's your toothbrush head, whatever you want to clean, this works just fine. So wanted to share with you, it worked for me. And we're getting into the fall with germs going around, so it's just a good practice first to change your toothbrush heads regularly. And if you get sick and you've got a new one, you don't want to change right away, white vinegar, and if it's not enough, baking soda. So another option to consider is to use hydrogen peroxide. I would mix it up with some water and let it all soak, and it also works wonder, in particular on a night guard. It actually works even better than baking soda. So depending on what you want to clean, that's another option to explore. So I hope this helps. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and share with others. Thank you all for watching.